In this advanced video, we're going to go over how to use the Unity volume system to change the behavior of the auto depth of field component. This is a great workflow to use when you want more control over how you want the system to function in a given scene. In this scene, we've set an autofocus preset to the camera that's completely out of focus. But watch what happens when we move forward. You can see that the scene comes into focus and has a dolly zoom effect too. The benefit of this is that there are many volumes here working together and the autofocus is running seamlessly through them all. Let's look at how we did this. First, we created a preset and named it Volume RM3 to match a reference with the volume in the scene. Next, we added the volume override to an existing volume by going to its inspector and adding the component under Hibiki Entertainment, Depth of Field, PBDOF override volume. You can also add an isolated volume by going through the Window Hibiki Entertainment menu. This is for when you're not adding to an existing volume. We then set up our preset how we wanted it to autofocus, while also keeping the focal length at 16mm to get a dolly zoom effect, similar to Hitchcock's film Vertigo, as it blends from one focal length to the other. Finally, we added the adjustments to the volume override. One of the strengths of utilizing the Unity volume override framework is that we're able to benefit from tuning each volume while using one or a few presets as the main guide. This gives us ample room to iterate design choices while keeping active autofocus. Imagine and make it happen. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching. For more on the physically based auto depth of field component for Unity, please consider joining our Discord community where you can share your experiences and provide valuable feedback with us. Until next time.